I will be the best. Headed out for change, I just started on my quest. Yeah, the world will know my name, I'm excited, I'm obsessed. No one in my way but myself and a test. Yeah, I will be the best, yeah, I will be the best. Life is just a game, I'll be playing till I rest. I'll be there to claim my own spot among the best. Deep within my mind, I'll put all my fear to rest. Cause I will be the best, yeah, I will be the best.
Hello, 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 brothers and sisters. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're all doing well. Thank God for another day of freedom. It's a beautiful thing to be free. Yeah, another day. A lot of time to think today. Sunday, we're back to work tomorrow. A lot of time to think. As dark as things have been, there's a lot to be thankful for. There's a lot to be grateful for. And there's hope. I've been in much worse, much lower states than this before. A little emotional places, financial places, health places. I've been much lower than this, right? And we made it out. And we survived. We're still here. Life can be turned around. Can never give up hope. Can never lose hope. You gotta keep searching for answers. Keep striving. Keep fighting. Build upon what works. Cut out what doesn't. Right? This friend and I, he's a NoPMO brother, struggling. And he's always talking about why are we even bothering to quit? Can't we just be 80, 90 years old still doing PMO? Like, what's the harm? I'm like, you cannot lose hope like that, man. You cannot throw away any hopes of a potential future for PMO. Of all things, it's not worth it. It's not enjoyable. Not worth throwing away the prospects of getting married, having a family, having children, being a good father and husband, and being there for your loved ones, community, having a good career, passions that you're working on, things that excite you, reading. Both of us, we love books, we love to read, we love knowledge, we love learning. But that's when you're living on high dopamine, it's hard. It's hard to pick up a book and start reading, man. It's hard. You got so many distractions. Like I could be PMOing. Why am I reading a book? Hard to pick up a book, man. So many things. Like it's not worth sacrificing your life. You can't lose hope on this journey. There were times I would have begged to make it to day 3. When I was much younger version of me, that guy was struggling, man. He was struggling. To get to day 3, you would have thought, that's miraculous. How are you managing that? It was with ease. To have got to day 3 and had a PMO dream in the journey as well, like that would have been enough. You thought those dreams were confirmation, like that means that's a premonition. That's like a prophecy that means we're gonna do it, right? Like a thought meant we're doing it. That's it. Like how do you have thoughts about PMO and not carry it out, right? If we can get that, if we can get there, there's a lot we can change financial situation, the health, fitness, finances, relationships. So much can be changed, man. Just gotta stay in the fight. Got to stay with it. Never lose hope. Brothers and sisters, we can all do this. Peace.
This life is a journey worth taking. Every breath in it is sacred. It gets hard and frustrating, but trust me, you just gotta embrace it.